Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is English grammar book for grade 1 and these are the Cambridge worksheets. Let's open the book. Students, in today's video I will explain you page number 113. Let's start. ING endings. What you will learn in today's lesson, ING endings. Write the present tense of each verb ing. Okay, let me read this box first. When an action is happening now, when an action is happening now, we often add ing to the verb. The children are eating a snack. When the verb ends with an E, remove the E before adding ing. Okay. So students, in present continuous tense, we use ing, we use is, are, am, and we use ing with base form of the verb. Base form means first form of the verb. We add ing with first form of the verb. Okay. For example, walk is walking. What I have done in this, I have added ing. Walk is there. Okay, walk is the first form of the verb. Walk is a verb. And what is the verb? Verb is a word which shows some action or activity. Okay. Walk is the verb. It's a first form of the verb. Okay. And in this exercise, we have to add ing. So, walk is walking. I have added ing. Number 2, watch is watching. Number 3, finish is finishing. Number 4 is like. L-I-K-E, like. Like is liking. So, if you notice here, like, L-I-K-E, like, and I have removed E. And then I have added ing, L-I-K-I-N-G. Keep in mind, if E is at the end, so you will remove E and then you will add ing. Okay, this is the rule. Okay, when the verb ends with an E, remove the E before adding ing. Okay, as you can see, I have done. Like, liking, I have removed E and then I have added ing. Number 5, jump is jumping, laugh is laughing, look is looking, talk is talking, desert is studying. I have added double D, okay, T-E-double-D-I-N-G. All the exercise. It's complete. And number 10. The cat is dash the mouse. In the bracket, chase is written. Again, chase is written C-H-A-S-E. E comes at the end, as you can see. Chase is the verb, as you know. And when the verb ends with an E, as you can see here, C-H-A-S-E. When the verb ends with an E, remove the E before adding ing. The cat is chasing the mouse. The cat is chasing the mouse. What I have done, I have removed E and then I have added ing. C-H-A-S-I-N-G. Chasing. Okay. So students, what you have learnt in today's video. In today's video, you have learnt the ing endings. We use ing with first form of the verb in present continuous tense. Okay. And we use is, are, am. Alright. And when the verb ends with E, we remove the E before adding ing. Okay. So I have explained you this concept with the help of examples. I hope you will like this information. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe and share.